How to change age restrictions on Netflix. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change age restrictions on Netflix. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is of course log into your Netflix, and this setting you will be able to do on a browser Netflix. So make sure to go to netflix.com and sign into your account. So if you're using it on your mobile or on your PC, it's okay, and you will be able to check all of your profiles here and change age restrictions. Now, by changing age restriction, I do not mean creating a kids account, but we can also create an account and we can give restriction above 13 plus or maybe 18 plus. So that's what I'm talking about. For that, what you need to do is simply go to your profile right here and click on account. Once you click on account, it will open up the account settings for you, and then you will find profile and parental control right here. So you need to select the profile you want to change the age restriction for. So you can see this one is a kids profile which is 7 plus. Let's change the age restriction. Click on this button right here. Now it will open up more settings for me, and so I can find all of the different options right here, and then we have viewing restrictions. Click on change and it will open up the change settings for you where we can change the viewing restrictions. So for that, we will have to confirm our password. That's what I'm gonna do. Quickly enter my password, click on continue. And there you go. So you can see right here, we have the age restriction of 7 plus. Let's change it to 13 plus. So all I have to do is just click right here, and I can go with all, or I can go with 7 plus or 13 plus, 16 plus and 18 plus. Now I have selected a kids profile. That is why it cannot go above a 7 plus, but with other profiles, we can just go with any of these different options. I can go with all, I can go with 7 plus, 13 plus and 18 plus as well. So this is how you can change age restriction on Netflix. We can change the restriction according to us, and we can change it to 13 plus, 16 plus and 18 plus. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to change age restriction on Netflix. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.